We're up in the in Llama Park up here.
Oh, here.
The llamas are cool. Gotta see. Anyway, guys, we're up in the national park on the Trillium Gap trailhead. We've got a race car stuck. The husband called and said his wife's 500 horsepower Charger is off the side of the road with no traction. So we're gonna see if we can go up here and help out. He sent me a few pictures. It looked like the rear diff was bottomed out, and of course it's got ground effect package and all kinds of goodies, and should prove to be difficult. But the Motor Nature Trail gets a lot of people. Motor Nature Trail strikes again. I believe that's it.
Is this you?
Yes.
Yes, all right.
Yes, it will.
You don't have any room over here on this side.
I know, I'm like right
Rocks.
on the edge. Her bumper's like on the ground. These people behind me are going to be very upset.
Yeah, is there room up there for you to pull off while we look at it, or?
I don't think so.
Kind of slid down in on me. I was up on the
Oh, goodness.
If I pull this way, I'm coming up against that for the lip of the wheels too.
Yep. Go back too. That's what I was thinking. Exactly. It slid off, like literally, while I went for the trail. It literally slid down.
Oh. That's not good.
Headed up way up closer to the road, but
Yeah.
For me,
I just don't want to like tear it up underneath.
Right.
So that's why I was like,
probably if I could, I don't know if I can lift a little bit here and then get blocks up under it, or if I can
I almost think it could be pulled out back that way, but I don't know.
Well, I mean, you did pull into it, right?
Right.
So,
yeah. And it
but
slid, which made the front drop down when I slid over. Where's the rock? Yeah, but it's up. I was worried because it's, you know.
yeah, it's right up against the. It looks like there's a pull off right up there if you want to. Yeah. I can't believe you had cell signal to call.
You know, the whole way up that trail and back, I had signal.
Did you? Okay.
Had a problem, but like it literally was up here and slid after I came back from the trail. Like
That's crazy. I don't know how far back he's coming. Don't go off that side over there. Because the shoulders are non-existent in a lot of places.
It was okay.
don't guess I'm quite clear on what the plan is.
Well, me neither. So follow along.
Okay. Want me to grab some blocks?
And I'm gonna try to see if I can, before I start pulling back, we can get it on some block and get it up.
Okay.
Might be a little easier.
Oh, you're recording that?
Yes.
You're driving it? Challenger?
I know, it's a Charger. It was a Challenger that wouldn't roll down the hill. Not if it
Probably
slides.
will need the front winch if you can get.
It's parked on. Yeah, I dug. It's just so powerful in the back end. It just dug a hole and buried the back. And I was like, you never empty that, yeah, it just literally needs something on that tire.
Is that front wheel chopped?
Yeah.
No, I do not.
Okay.
That almost looks like it just shoved some dirt over there.
Yeah, it cleared it pretty good from just that. If we can just keep the, what I worry about is it gets way worse back here. So
Yeah, when I came in like this, and then
That pumpkin might come off if you're not careful with it right there.
yeah, that's going to be the bad part is keeping that up in the air enough to do anything with it.
A transport car, so this is what
Yeah.
transport cars are living on 4-car truck.
She's hung up on the rear diff.
Yeah, well, it's clear now.
yeah, the rocks. I'll even put it in the troller. Not just
Probably
checking.
here in just a bit, but
Okay, I was just checking. Good thing I had a good signal on my phone. Amazing enough.
tires were on the road, and
Yeah,
look,
you see?
can see where the tires have slid off the road. Yeah, here and up there.
Yes, thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you. It did.
Yeah, you
Slid
can
right
see
off
that.
the road.
Yeah, that's crazy.
It literally slid off the side of the road. That's just like we're still on the road, but it was up there. Yeah, you can. I gotta take a picture of that. So,
Keep it on blocks.
neutral or anything? No. Okay.
Not yet.
Get out of the way. Yeah.
Okay. Probably neutral.
Would you like me in it?
Yeah. If you want to, dear, you can go ahead and get in it. Just fire it up and put it into neutral. Kind of hold that brake for me for a little bit, and we'll see if.
You want me to watch the front over here?
Yeah, that
Okay.
placement of that front. I don't
Yeah,
even
we
know
don't
what's
want
going to happen.
We don't want to drag our wheel against this.
I guess our goal now is to come back forward and keep it on the blocks.
If you can come right this way and not hit that,
Yeah.
that would be amazing. But
So turn to your right. Keep turning to your right. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Hold right there.
are you going to try to get her up right here?
Yes.
Or are you going to have her come down this way? If you're going to go right there, let's put a block right there and have her go that way.
Let's go right up over it.
Yeah,
We got a block. That'd be
right
nice.
here.
That's a big one.
Well, have you seen this whole one?
Okay. Now we need to make sure that this side doesn't drop down.
Yes. Okay, we got a block. We're gonna see if we can get that tire to track on that block and come up on the lip of that. Okay, dude, more or less out on.
So she needs to hold her brake.
Just hold your brake.
Okay, so we have a block under this tire here. And we're gonna try to work you up onto the lip of the road right here. So just hold your brake.
Okay.
And we'll try to guide you gently, slowly, nothing fast, nothing herky-jerky. Slow and easy. The problem is going to be keeping that side up. Okay.
Okay. Super slow. Ease off your brake. Yep.
Looks good. It's staying.
Coming. And then you might have to go into drive now.
She might need to turn that way just a hair just to keep it on the right there. Perfect. Perfect.
Yep.
Slow. Just super slow. Watch her front tire on your side.
Yep. Watch it.
Oh, we're almost there.
Right there.
Hold your brake.
Okay. Okay. Super slow. Same direction you're doing, just super slow. Yep. Perfect.
Hold it. Hold up. We need something else underneath this one.
Under what?
Right there at the edge. I'm afraid it's going to come down and smash her ground effect.
Okay. Super slow. Same thing. Couple more inches.
This one's on the corner of the road.
Okay. Little bit of gas.
Just a little bit.
Hold up right there.
You have half a tire tread on the road.
Okay. Still in good shape. Okay, couple more inches.
Okay. This tire is 100% on the road, but it looks like it will drop down.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hard that way.
Hard to me.
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Perfect. Couple more inches.
Hey, that's not a bad idea, Jeff. We might want to get this wood out since it's high right now. Here, let Jeff do it, please.
You got it?
Oh,
I stopped him.
she stopped me.
If that car comes down and smashes an arm.
Good idea. You're all right.
It still looks
It looks good.
Couple more inches. Same direction, everything's the same.
Looks good. So if her rear tire continues in that same tire path, it should smoothly come up over the road. In theory. I said same tire path.
Yep, couple more inches.
Hold up. There's a dip right here.
Yeah, she's gonna. Her rear wheel's gonna.
Her rear wheel's gonna go in this dip here.
No, that's gonna come up here. If she keeps on the path that she's going, the rear wheel will hit the pavement.
Okay. Okay, dear.
Bonnie's her name.
Bonnie, couple more inches. Coming.
Looks great over here. I love it. Hold on, let me slide this under her rear. Just in case. Come check this. Come check this.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Okay.
You do the thing. Okay, Bonnie, couple more. Now what I want you to do is straighten the wheels a little bit. So my way, you come my way. Right there, right there.
You've got 3 on.
Okay, Bonnie, couple more. It's going to drop down just a little bit, so.
There you go. Let me check this side, the ground effects.
We're all clear on this one.
They're clear? Perfect.
Okay, hold on just a second.
Okay.
I want to get my strap while it's
Nope.
in the air.
Okay. That's easier.
So we're just going to keep building a bridge for your rear tire to come across.
I'm just going to go down to a 4x4 now. And, yep, just keep on going.
Hold up. They'll probably have to move it one more time after this block.
Looking good. Couple more.
A little bit more. Right there. Perfect.
That one should finish it out, Bonnie.
Yes.
Just slow and easy.
Okay, now start turning this way.
Perfect.
Hold up. Okay. Turn. Just come this way just a little bit. Now turn. There you go. Perfect. Do you want to go down here to this pull off right there that's paved? See this paved pull off right here? Can you get in there and we'll let the traffic through? Okay. All right, thank you.
That's all you got. You know, it looks like a fiddly pile there, but when it comes to needing it, you're like, I forgot that one little piece down there. Yep.
She's going to go right here to this paved pull off so that we can get some traffic cleared. Awesome. Okay, so that doesn't look too bad. But you can see, she said she was parked on the road here and here. And you can see the black marks where her tire slid down because she was over here. And that rock slid with the weight of her car and it just slid her whole thing down. All right, good deal.
It's hot, guys. Whew. Okay, cooling off. Wow, what a really nice car.
Yes.
But it's a lot of fun. I think it was the Scat Pack, or I think it was. I don't know. I'm concentrating on not damaging the thing more than anything. But anyway, guys, you seen how that went. Normally, I'll pick up one side of it to get my underbelly clearance, so I'm not doing transmission pans, oil pans, things like that. Normally I'll get enough lift off of that and I'll just kind of scoot them up onto the road, but this one was one of those knife's edge. That car was so low, if I would have drug it any sideways, then it would have got her wheels. One side or the other would have got some sort of wheel damage. So build a bridge. Sometimes that's all you've got. If you guys are in this line of work, you know how valuable logs are on the truck. So I keep 6x6s, 4x4s, 2x4s. You try to keep a variety of a little bit of everything in like little short chunks, because you can just build a bridge essentially. So we're able to get that one jacked up and get the wheels up to where it's not bottomed out anymore. And then it's just as simple as just a few inches at a time, 3 or 4 inches at a time, coming forward, making sure nothing's scratching. What you really got to look out for on those guys is making sure those blocks, when you come to the end of it, make sure it's not going to flip up, because if that block flips up, then you've done all that for nothing, because it comes up and it cracks the ground effect, or
Her underglows?
Or underglows. She had underglows all the way around it. So you just got to be careful on that. Make sure you're watching your blocks and they're not doing anything funny. Which is another reason I know we get a lot of comments on pulling wheels and things like that. Same situation. If I run straps and chains up under to the flimsy hook points that most cars have, then the strap and the chain is going to come up and it's going to get the side skirts and things like that. So by getting the wheels, then I'm staying far away from everything. And but anyway, that's how that one came out. It came out great, no damage. She is super happy. We are going to continue the Motor Nature Trail. We are lucky because we are in between a rod run and we're in between Labor Day, the holiday weekend. So this is a slow time. We're able to get in and out. Like I was telling my customers, normally we don't. Normally it's, if you're stuck up here, I'm going to tell you probably 11 or 12 o'clock at night, I'll come up here and get the car, just because if I come up here and anything else, usually we get trapped or we're up on this road for 4 to 6 hours just trying to get out.
There's a nice little waterfall up here somewhere.
Yeah, there's a cool little waterfall. Maybe we'll get you guys some waterfall footage. We've gotten a lot of Motor Nature Trail calls, but I mean, it's a really cool place. You just be careful when you're pulling off, guys. If it's crowded, don't pull off in a spot that is questionable in any way, shape, or form. It is not worth it. And it doesn't matter. I've pulled out 4-wheel drive full-size trucks, and I've pulled out little cars with ground effects and 500 horsepower. So unless you've got a Sherman tank, I probably wouldn't do it. Anyway, guys, we're heading down. I'm not sure how close that waterfall is.
I don't know, but I would suggest for people to come and do this, because it really is just beautiful.
So if you're going to do this, guys, just check out one of the many UTV rental companies in and around Pigeon Forge or Gatlinburg. Rent yourself one of those 4 or 6 seaters, put the family in there, and then come do that trail in one of those rentals. That's probably your safest bet.
With a full tank of gas.
With a full tank of gas.
Because it's, what is it, 11 miles, 13 miles, something like that? But you go slow.
Yeah, there's sometimes traffic's just at a crawl, especially if there's bear or turkey or turtles, fish, anything you want to look at.
And there's what, 10 or 12 of these little bridges like this?
And all 10 of them scare me to death. I'm like, oh my God, my truck's heavy.
You don't have much clearance. But on our way up here today, what did we see? We saw a bunch of turkeys crossing the road. We saw a bear.
And that was within the first minute of coming into the park.
And didn't she say she saw a bear while she was sitting there?
Yeah, she said she's seen something. She thought she would get out. I thought it was a bear, but. And a big shout out, if you guys are in the area, you see the tow trucks running around. We appreciate you guys getting out of our way, moving over. Although we like to see the scenery, most often we are up here trying to get to somebody that's in distress. So we're not up here to see the scenery. So when you guys make room for us, we greatly appreciate that, because we can help our customers and we can get the roads cleared. Another sketchy bridge.
Yeah, it's surprisingly not busy. This place is going to be super busy in about a month when the leaves start changing.
Yeah, everybody wants to be up here on this trail in the fall. I might come in for Halloween with a chainsaw and spook some people. You'll find me in this little building, oiling my chain.
Sketchy Bridge.
Sketchy Bridge. Sketchy Bridge.
This one's one of my least favorite ones.
Sketchy Bridge. Somebody's brakes are on fire.
Yes. Are we sure these aren't our brakes that we're smelling?
Not 100%, no. But considering I haven't been using my brakes, I find it hard to believe.
This is the waterfall. I guess we haven't had much rain lately.
It's dry. It's a dried up waterfall. No, there's a little bit up there. There's a little trickle. Might be able to wash your hair. So yeah, guys, back to when we first come in, the llamas. So they use the llamas to transport goods to the top of Mount LeConte. So all of their supplies and things like that get packed in by the llamas, which is a really cool trail. If you guys have ever hiked Mount LeConte, it's really cool. Lots of waterfalls to see, and it's a cool trail. I personally have not been all the way to the top, but we've been something like half or 3/4, I think. But that's always something to try out, and it's cool to see the llamas. They're doing their thing.
Oh, the bee boxes.
And that is a wrap, guys. We're back in downtown Gatlinburg. Takes you right out to 321, and go into town and get in trouble. Pay to park. Okay, guys, we got a call in for Margaritaville and an illegally parked vehicle, saying that he used to be an employee, not anymore, shouldn't even be in this country, I believe is what he said. But we're here. We're following the property manager, I believe it is, and we're gonna see if we can get it out of here. Okay, doke.
Get a walk around. Pieces off a little bit. Some scratches here. Cracked windshield. See when it. Okay.
So you used to work for you, had your phone, and now they take advantage of you.
Correct.
Okay.
And you probably be somebody else that goes to jail.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna have you sign it.
I'm pretty sure it's from the ride.
The e-brake must be set then, because it did not want to come forward. Is the e-brake jammed?
Well, you know, there ain't no axle, brother.
Everything auto.
Hello, good night. I'm calling because my vehicle was towed and I'm looking for information and know what's the next step in this point.
Yes, was it the one parked at Margaritaville?
Yep, that one.
Yes, sir. As long as you're the registered owner, ID matches the registration, we can release the vehicle back to you. The cost associated is
Okay. So I have to go over there or something?
yes. Yeah, you'd have to come here to pick up the car.
Okay, where you located?
221 Newman Road.
Give me a second, please.
Is this,
Okay, can you tell me again, please?
yes, 221 Newman Road in Gatlinburg.
221, what's the name?
Newman, Newman, Newman Road.
Okay. Okay,
And that's Gatlinburg.
all right. Thank you. Are you open tomorrow?
Yeah, just give me a call before you head this way, and we can make sure we've got somebody here at the lot on the weekends. You'll have to
All right.
You'll have to call me give me about 40 minutes heads up that you're coming this way.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
I knew I heard something over there in the weeds when I went to close the gate. I was trying to motion for Nathan to come over and see him.
That's the creek right there, the river.
Yeah, the creek.
We'll probably over in the lot later.
Oh, I'm sure. Got all kinds of video of him and a mama bear with a cub over there.
Strolling down the parkway. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're hurry up and wait. We're sitting in the line of Gatlinburg traffic at a very slow crawl going in. We've already got several winch out calls on the books. We're trying our best to get to those in a timely manner, but as you can see, that doesn't always happen. So be patient with us. We are on our way and we do have you down. You guys stick around for the footage. Hopefully we can get to them. I wanted to give a big thank you to Brittany and Scott Harrell for the Krispy Kreme donuts. Thank you guys for that. That got our night going. That got our night amped up, and then that got our morning off to a great kickstart. So Krispy Kreme donuts are, it's been, that location's been shut down, guys, so it just opened up just here a few days ago, opened back up here a few days ago. So if you're in town, or if you had been in town and noticed that was not a thing, it's a huge popular thing here in our area. The line is usually well into out of the county, into and out of the county when the hot light's on. But anyway, thank you both for those donuts. We appreciate that, and stick around. We're on our way into the national park for some recoveries. Hello, you have keys?
Yeah.
And you're the registered owner?
Yeah.
Okay.
My title is under my name and everything.
Okay, perfect. If you got the keys, I'll bring it up here for you. We've got it right back here.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll bring it up here. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Let me get it for you. Okay, just need ID to match the registration. You got it. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. They just got you in the wrong spot parking over there, huh?
No, I used to work there, and the general manager saw me when I was parking, and he don't tell me nothing. It was intentionally.
Really? Waited for you to leave? Yeah, that's not a good thing. That's not cool.
Yeah, I think that was racist because I used to work there, and he fired 2 of my friends.
Yeah.
And I'm quick, and he don't say nothing. He was mad.
Yeah.
So I went to the Mellow to buy a pizza,
Yeah.
and
He saw you park there to go get a pizza.
yeah, he saw. But it's okay. I'm gonna deal with him on Monday. I'm gonna call my sponsor and see what can I do, because he can do the same to other people, you know.
Yeah.
Actually, the security man, they
Yeah.
told me this never happened
Really?
before.
That's
I'm the first one was calling from North.
Yeah, he's never called us before, but he called us last night and said that you were an ex-employee parked in his parking spot and he wanted you removed. But I have never towed anything from there ever.
Yeah.
I'm sorry this happened to you guys.
No, it's okay. It's part of the fun.
Yeah. Yeah. You guys be careful, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, guys. So you heard that one. He said that the manager saw him pull in there. He ran across to get a pizza, is what he said. But now we've had the vehicle. We had it for about 4 hours before they ever called us. So I'm not real sure on that one. But said he ran across to get a pizza. The manager saw him park there, didn't say anything to him, and then towed him after the fact. So said he used to work there with 3 of his friends. He fired 2 of his friends, so he quit because he fired 2 of his friends. So he was a little unhappy with him. So that's about all the story I got on that one, guys. Got him his car back. ID matched the registration. He is a worker. So we've talked about this quite a bit on the channel. We get some of the J1 visa workers that come in and help out, and they are a tremendous amount of help, making things stay open later or open period. So that's why he's here. Got him a different job hopefully, and that's about it. So we're going to see if we can head into the national park now after we got him his car back. So stay tuned, stick around.